Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to read a new chapter. Who did it? Here you can see the police suspect five men who is the real culprit. Here we are going to read about five suspects and who is the real culprit. Children, there was a Vasant colony, right? In the story there is a Vasant colony. So Vasant colony was shocked. Why it was shocked? A house in the colony had been burgled. Here burgled means what? Robbed. Burgled means robbed. Mr. Sharma and his family had gone to attend a wedding. Who had gone to attend the wedding? Mr. Sharma and his family. They had gone to attend a wedding. When they came back around midnight, their house was in a mess. Many things had been stolen. Here in a mess means what? The things in not in order, in total disorder. Means when the robbers came and robbed the things they kept here and there, means it became in disorder, and many things they had stolen. Mr. Sharma called the police. The police searched the whole house for clues. They found some footprints in the garden. What did they find? The police found some footprints were in the garden. There was a shoe near the garden wall. What was there in the garden wall? There was a shoe. It must have come off while someone was climbing over the wall. Here the police inspector, Mrs. Bela Minch, is there. She thinks that it must have come off while someone was climbing over, means escaping away, while someone was escaping away through the garden wall. So next what happened? Inspector Bela Minch asked the people in the neighborhood if they had seen any suspicious that night. Actually, it happens that whenever any case comes, the police inspectors, they need some witness also to know about the incident. So here Mrs. Bela Minch, the police inspector, she asked some of the neighboring people that if they had seen anyone suspicious that night. Then Mr. Hussain, the next door neighbor, Mr. Hussain is next door neighbor, means he is a neighboring person. He said, I heard some noise. What did he heard? He heard some noise at night. He says, I looked out of my window and I saw someone climbing over the garden wall. I called but nobody responded. Here Mr. Hussain says that he heard some noise that night and he looked out of his window also, and what he saw someone was climbing over the garden wall, and he called out but the person did not respond. Then the police inspector asked, did you see him properly? What was he like? Means she is asking about the appearance, the look of the suspicious person. Then Sharma says, well, it was dark and I could not see very well because it was night and there was dark, so he could not see properly, that he said. But I am sure it was a man. But here at the end he says that I am sure that it was a man. He was tall and thin. See, this is the identity, means appearance, that Mr. Sharma says, that he was tall and thin, said Mr. Sharma. Then the police questioned Mr. Jagan. Who is Mr. Jagan here? Mr. Jagan is a shopkeeper, right? Mr. Jagan is a shopkeeper whose shop stood at the corner of the road. So the police inspector asked Mr. Jagan. He could see the Sarma's house from his shop. Actually, his shop was just at the corner of the road. So from his shop, Mr. Sharma's house could be seen properly. So Mr. Jagan said, I saw a man walking very fast. He came from the direction of the house. Here came from the direction of the house means Mr. Sharma's house, right? He said that he saw a man walking very fast and that man was coming from the direction of Mr. Sharma's house. He was holding a bag close to his chest, means the person, suspicious person, was having a bag on his chest. I felt suspicious. Here, Mr. Jagan says that he felt suspicious. I shouted at him to stop, but he ran away. Here he says that he felt suspicious. He had doubt on him, and so he shouted also. He shouted at him to stop, but the person, he did not stop. He just ran away, escaped away from there. Then inspector asked, what did he look like? Here also Mrs. Belamins, the police inspector, she asked him about the appearance, the look of the person. Then Mr. Jagan says that he was short and thin. He was short and thin. But here Mr. Jagan had said what? He was tall and thin. But here Jagan says he was short and thin. He looked quite scared. Means he was afraid of something. Because when we do something wrong, obviously we get afraid of. So here Mr. Jagan says that he was short and thin and he looked quite scared. He wore black trouser and blue shirt. What he was wearing? Black trouser and a blue shirt. He had curly hair. How was his hair? Curly hair. Means here you can see that these are the things, these are the appearance, identity of the suspicious person, right? The Sharmas then told the police that Mr. Samir Kumar, the ice cream vendor at the end of the road, might know something. He sold ice cream till late night. Here Sharmas means the family of Mr. Sharma. They say what? They say to police that Mr. Samir Kumar, an ice cream vendor, the ice cream vendor who sold ice cream till late night, he might have some knowledge about this incident because he sold ice cream till late night in the street. So police inspector asked to Mr. Samir Kumar, the ice cream vendor, also about the incident. Then Mr. Samir Kumar, the ice cream vendor, he said, yes, I saw someone suspicious. It was 11 p.m. When? It was 11 p.m. and he saw someone suspicious, right? Then he says he was a bald man with a mustache. Here bald man means what? He was bald man. Bald man means having lack of hair, means without hair you can say, on head, or lack of hair. That is called the bald man. And he was having mustache also. Mustache, the black color hair that we have, the male people, they have below the nose and above the lip. That is called mustache. So he was a bald man and he was having mustache also. Then he says he was walking very fast. He kept looking back. I'm sure he was the one who broke into the house. Here Mr. Samir Kumar says that he was walking very fast and he kept looking back also. When somebody do something wrong and escape away, that time surely they look back whether somebody is um, racing me or following me or something like that, so they want to look back also. So here same thing was happening with this person. He was looking back also and trying to escape away very fast. So here Mr. Samir says that I am sure he was the one who broke into the house, means who entered the house. Then Mr. Money and his family, who lived 2 houses away from the Sharmas. Where does Mr. Money and his family live? They live 2 houses away from Mr. Sharma's house, right? So here they said what? They said that they had come late after watching a movie. As they reached their house, they saw 2 young men on a motorcycle past driving past recklessly. Here they say what, that when they reached to their home after watching the cinema, they saw 2 young people were there on the motorcycle, and they were riding their motorcycle very roughly, very fast. That is, here past driving past recklessly means very roughly or riskily or dangerously, right? They were driving their bike very fast or roughly, you can say, because they were in hurry, so they were riding very fast. So here they says that they were in a hurry to get away, said Mrs. Money. Here wife of Mr. Money says that they were in a hurry, so they were going very fast. Why do you think so? Asked Bella means. Here Bella means she asked why you are thinking that they were in hurry. Then Mrs. Money says they looked uneasy, means they looked quite unsafe. That's why they were running fast. Could you see their faces? Inspector Bella means she asked Mrs. Money, could you see their faces? Then Mrs. Bella means, sorry, Mrs. Money says, I just got a glimpse, means I just got a one look, means short look, you can say, one sight I got. So I could not see properly. Both of them had long hair. What they had? They had long hair, but one had a beard. Here these are the identification mark that Mrs. Money said to police inspector Mrs. Bella means, right? After the investigation, the police rounded up 5 men who matched the description given by all the witnesses. Here police inspector, he inquired the matter properly with the witness, means those who were living nearby Mr. Sharma's house, right? So he took the description from the witness, and then Inspector Bella means called the 5 suspects to her room and questioned them in detail. What did Mrs. Bella means do? Mrs. Bella means she called the 5 suspects, 5 suspicious person on whom she had doubt, right? So she called them in her room and questioned them in details. At the end of the day, the police arrested one of them. One of the men police arrested, whose name was Gattu. Here, after getting all the investigations, asking questions to them, police caught one person. Police arrested one of them. His name was Gattu. Now here the matter is, can you guess why? Why did she caught Gattu? Why did she arrest Gattu? Actually, Mrs. Bella means, she was a police inspector, and there is some way to solve the case. So what she did, Inspector Bella means asked each suspect to try on the shoe found in the garden. At the beginning only I had told that police had found a police had found a shoe in the garden and some footprints in the garden, right? So that shoe which was found in the garden. Police inspector Mrs. Belamin, she told to try on the shoe, that shoe which was found in the garden. Whom did she say this? She said this to all the suspectful, or all the suspected or suspicious person. All the five suspicious person, they tried out the shoe that was found in the garden, and it fitted to Gattu. Means when Gattu put on the shoe, it Gattu, the short thin man with curly hair, who had said that he was short and thin, and he was having curly hair. It was Mr. Jagan, right? Mr. Jagan, whose shop was just at the corner of the road. So Mr. Jagan had told about this person. He was short and thin, and he was wearing black trouser and blue shirt, and he had curly hair. These were the identification, and he was caught. His name was Gattu. Perfectly, he shot. It fitted Gattu, the short, thin man with curly hair, perfectly. Means the shoe was fitted to Gattu perfectly. So, police inspector Mrs. Belaminch, she knew that he was the one. Mr. Gattu. Gattu was the one who entered in Mr. Sharma's house while they had gone to attend a marriage ceremony, right? This is only the story how Mrs. Belaminch, the police inspector, arrested the culprit, and how did she find out the culprit from five suspicious person, by investigating the matters, by looking into the matters. Now the question answers that I have given in the PDF, you can see there. Okay children, thank you.